8 Weird Things That Would Happen If Planet Earth Was Flat. Although scientifically, it has been proven that the planet we live in is spherical, but not a few people are included in flat earthers, adherents of flat Earth. If planet Earth was really flat, then some strange things would happen. David Stevenson, a planetary scientist at Caltech, Pasadena, California, says that to form a solid disk, cosmic objects must rotate very quickly. This will destroy the object or planet into small particles. A flat Earth will only last a moment. 1. Gravity disappears. On a spherical Earth, gravity will pull objects evenly closer to Earth. This explains why the Earth is round. But on a flat Earth, the strange thing that might happen is that the phenomenon found is the absence of gravity. According to his calculations in the 1850s, James Clerk Maxwell, a mathematician and physicist, said that a solid disk could not be in a state of or have any gravity at all. Gravity also affects the existence of the Moon. The Moon was created from a giant object that crashed into Earth and its debris was captured by gravity. So without gravity the Moon would also disappear. 2. Loss of atmosphere. Besides the possible absence of gravity, the strange thing that will happen is that a flat Earth will not be able to hold an atmosphere. The sun's light that can make the sky blue no longer spreads all over the Earth. Just imagine, if the Earth were completely flat, then plants and animals would be in a vacuum and feel short of breath in a matter of seconds. Water remaining on Earth will also freeze because there is no warm atmosphere. The only creatures that can survive in this condition are marine organisms such as chemosynthetic bacteria because they live without the need for oxygen. 3. Horizontal rain. Gravity may exist on a flat Earth, but gravity will pull everything towards the North Pole, which is the center of the disk. This causes the oceans to swell and collect at the North Pole. Maybe only the region closest to the center of the disk that can feel rain falling vertically like on a spherical Earth. Meanwhile, areas that are farther away from the center of the disk will feel rain falling at an angle or even horizontally. 4. Can't use GPS. On a flat Earth, satellites will be difficult to orbit. The impact is that GPS may not exist, so that humans will find it difficult to find directions. Sayat hidak bisa memikirkan bagaimana GPS akan bekerja sa bumi datar. Kata James Davis, ahli geofisika di Laboratory Earth Observatory, Columbia University. 5. Travel to other countries will be longer. Travel time can also be longer because humans are required to fly across the Earth. An example is the journey from Australia to Antarctica, where on a flat Earth these two locations are on opposite sides of each other. There is an ice wall which is believed to be a dividing wall on a flat Earth. If that were the case, then humans would not be able to travel across Antarctica. 6. Everything on Earth will be roasted. On a spherical Earth, there is a protective magnetic field that curves around the planet from pole to pole. But on a flat Earth where there is no magnetic field, the magnetosphere, which is the protective layer, will also disappear. This causes the planet Earth to be exposed to harmful solar radiation, so that the Earth will become very barren. In addition, the aurora will also not be seen without the magnetosphere. 7. The sky view is the same all over the area. The sky will look the same because all parts of the Earth have the same visibility and make stargazing easier. Humans can only rely on space-based telescopes to study the cosmos. This is because a flat Earth will eliminate access to 360-degree views of the universe as can be done today. 8. No storm. Hurricanes will also not be found on a flat Earth because there is no Coriolis effect produced. The Coriolis effect can cause storms in the northern hemisphere to rotate clockwise while storms in the southern hemisphere rotate counterclockwise.